Yes, guys, we're going to the beach. Guys, so in 2 days it's Lana birthday and finally the summer came, so we're taking them to Haifa dog beach. Let me show you. Wow, Lana! Bye, Lana! Not even 1 second, she's already at the beach. Whoopa! Hector! טובה. שלום, לנה. נוכלת.
I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty.
אוי, זה חמוד.
I haven't gotten used to your sight. Another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty.
Some very over dramatic husky. Lana! Lana, anything to say? It's my birthday, bring me some present! Okay guys, so we finished with the dog park, but it's not really a dog park, it's the dog beach. And now we're heading to Hummus Bar for lunch. Hummus Bar is a fully vegan restaurant. It's like a vegan heaven. Hello! They brought them water. They also have Snaman. So we took this one and this one. So here is our dessert, it's called Pink Lady. Num, num, num. Cheers. They have the taste of strawberry. So sweet. Let's try a bit of ice cream. Oh my god, the pink lady. I love it. Hi. And one for Hector. Hi. Oops. You can't reach. Share it. Hey guys, so today is Lana's birthday. So for the occasion I made all this banana, tahini, oatmeal, basically a great cake for dogs. And now I'm gonna turn this cake into a husky. So I have here for decoration all kind of doggy proof stuff, and I also have white rice. I'm gonna use it. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna turn this into a husky. Are you excited? Here is my sous chef. Let's begin. And voila, we have a husky. I forgot to cut the leg, so I just add it right now. And now we're gonna decorate it with some white rice. Okay, so I finished decorating with the rice. I made some extra shape of art and the word Lana. Now I'm gonna use this, forgot how it's called, pishtan in Hebrew, and make our coat, and then the tone and the eye. And voila, I'm done. Yes, I think it looks so cute. I only wish I had a blue little piece for the eye, but yeah, I think I'm fine with it. It's very cute. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is a very special day since we celebrate my sweet little Lana birthday. It's the 8th of March and today she celebrates her 8th birthday along with every woman in the world, because like every year she celebrates on official Women's Day. How beautiful is that? So for the occasion I prepared for her a cake. We invited Hector as a guest. He's in here. And we have some presents, so let me show you. Oh, and when we're done, we're gonna have a photo shoot with this beautiful backdrop that Chen gonna do. Are you excited? As for the dress, I have this really beautiful handmade dress. And here is the dress. Yeah! See how beautiful is that? It looks so pretty! This was from an old shirt of my grandma. So here on the table I have the husky cake that I cut for her. And here we have these almond cookies that my mom made. And those one from Chen mom. And here is the birthday gift. Okay, so here is the birthday girl, here is the birthday maid. And now we're gonna blow on the candle. Okay, time to make a wish. So, what do you want? A lot of treats? Okay, we're gonna make a wish and then you're gonna blow on the candles. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Leute, Leute.
You will do me! You like it? Now we're gonna give to the guests as well. And for the guests. Good. And nom nom. Good. And when we finish this, look what Chen prepared for us. We're gonna do some photo shoots. I think it's quick, but I'm not sure. Look, you got the unicorn giraffe. I think she's more interested in the treats. Good. Try to Hector. Hector. Hector more interested. And here we have baby Grogo from the Mandalorian. Oh, it's also squeak. Here, Hector. Up. Up. For many more sweet birthdays. So Chen right now is steaming the backdrop, so it's gonna be all flat and nice for the photo shoot. Okay, you're a good girl. Good.